All right, guys, we got a 2021 GMC Sierra. It's a 5.3 V8. Factory converters there and there. Comes on flex pipe. What we did is we took the muffler out and put a FLOWFX on it. Part number 71416. And add a sleeve, comes back out. Use the existing tailpipes, and those are the resonators that GMC uses. So we'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, always like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. The FLOWFX. Sound decibels. 93, I think. I cannot see because of the sun. Sounds pretty good. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside.